Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use a scarf brush in ZBrush, and this is a Xtractor brush, and now I will show you how you can use it. So you just select this brush and you can just drag a line and you will have an amazing detail and a scarf. So you can change your brush size, add more detail to your scar, as you can see here, just like this reference that you can see. Alright guys, so I will put this video in time-lapse so you can see everything faster. I always use this brush in my projects. This brush gives you a lot of options to control the shape of the scars. You can sculpt any shape, any scar that you want for your characters, and this brush gives you a lot of random lines and random details, so you can have a more realistic result for your character. So if you want to download this brush, I will put a link in the description down below and you can go and download this. So if you have any question, please comment, and hope you enjoy this brush and use it well. Goodbye.